Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? My name is John. What's your name? My name is John. What's your name? I am from the United States. Where are you from? I am from the United States. Where are you from? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? I don't understand. Can you speak slowly? I don't understand. Can you speak slowly? What time is it now? What time is it now? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Where is the bathroom, please? Where is the bathroom, please? I would like a cup of coffee, please. I would like a cup of coffee, please. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? I'm sorry, I made a mistake. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You're welcome. You're welcome. Excuse me, where is the bus station? Excuse me, where is the bus station? How do I get to the hotel? How do I get to the hotel? I need to buy a ticket. I need to buy a ticket. What is this called in English? What is this called in English? I like learning English. I like learning English. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. I'm hungry, where can I eat? I'm hungry, where can I eat? Can I have the menu, please? Can I have the menu, please? I would like to pay now. I would like to pay now. Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Can you recommend a good restaurant? Can you recommend a good restaurant? What time does the store open? What time does the store open? I need to see a doctor. I need to see a doctor. Could you write that down, please? Could you write that down, please? I don't feel well today. I don't feel well today. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? And nice to meet you. And nice to meet you.